Come test drive this 2004 Cadillac Escalade. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include power front seats, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, fully automatic headlights, adjustable pedals, and seat memory. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.